Hey there! So this quick video is here to help you troubleshoot and remove the yellow bar you may be seeing on your digital planner. Sometimes, even after you've clicked your activation link and your access is fully active, your browser can hold onto old website data, called cookies or cached data. When that happens, the system may mistakenly think your account has expired, even though it hasn't. The good news is this is usually a quick fix. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to do a hard reset by clearing the website cookies for our site. I'll talk through the steps as I do them on my screen, and once this is complete, the yellow bar should disappear and your planner should load correctly. The first step is go to BecomingYourBest.com. Then right-click anywhere on the page and click on Inspect. When this window pops up, find these arrows to expand and then click on Application. On the left-hand sidebar of this pop-up, find Cookies. Under Cookies, find BecomingYourBest.com. Right-click on BecomingYourBest.com and click Clear. Now you can close the pop-up, open back up your instructions page, and re-click on your activation link. Now you can go back to your calendar and the yellow bar should be gone. If you are still having issues with the yellow bar, then reach back out to support@BecomingYourBest.com and we will help troubleshoot the issue. Thanks for taking a moment to walk through this with us, and we wish you continued success in your pre-week planning.